Good evening and welcome to MB Tech. My name is Matthew Bingham, and today we'll be going over installing a Minecraft server. They're pretty easy to set up. I've got the information that we need. It's going to be in a container, and then basically you're just going to need a client to be able to connect to that server. It'll be local on your own network, be super fast, and you can update it, mod it, and do all sorts of different things to it. So the first thing we need to do is log into our current setup that we've been running for multiple times that has Docker already installed. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change directory into the container folder after logging in. Once we are in the container folder, we're going to do a make directory Minecraft server. So we do a make directory Minecraft server. Then we're going to change directories into that Minecraft server. Once we're in there, we're going to do a standard nanocompose.yaml or YML. And once in there, we're going to paste the config file. As you can see, we got our standard services, MC for Minecraft, the image, the server, what port it's going to listen to. Once again, remember that this right here on the left-hand side is the one that we are going to be connecting to. And then our EULA agree and all other stuff. So here we're just going to hit a Control X. Yes. Here we're going to do our standard Docker compose up -D. Okay, it looks like it has been completed, but we will do a quick Docker compose logs. And it does look like it is up and running. So once that is up and running, now you just need to run your client. There's multiple ones out there. I am actually using the one that comes with Microsoft and has the Java. So we'll kick that off. And once you're logged in here, we're going to do the Java edition for this one. And we're going to hit play. What we're going to do here is we're going to select multiplayer. And it says, OnPlay is offered by third-party servers. It's our own server, so we can say that's fine. We're going to proceed. It will not pick it up. So once we select Direct Connect, we'll have the server address. That'll be our IP address. And at that port, 25565, and we'll say select Join Server. It is already joining. It says Joining World. It is loading the Tran up. And there we are. We are playing Minecraft on our own server. One way I can show that this is the true case is I am going to do a Docker compose down. And when I do that, it says connection lost. So we know that it is actually working and it is connecting to our local server and everything is good to go. That was just a real quick, fast one. That is a Minecraft server running on your local network, connecting it with your client that you have. And then therefore you can actually run a local Minecraft server. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you have a great rest of the night.